Hello everyone. This is really awkward. Why do I feel like awkward with myself though? That's like the real question. If I look like down here, that's because I have my mirror there and I look kind of ugly. Anyway, so sorry if my lighting isn't like the best. I thought like this background was like cuter than my other backgrounds, and I don't know if you can tell, but like I'm trying to be festive with my candles. Did I press record? Did I press record? Okay, I did. I haven't been on here because I really don't have an excuse. Like I just felt like I don't know, like I'm in college. That's pretty much it. Like I have like a job kind of. I just want to get back on here because I have a lot of free time. This is gonna be like a little get ready with me because I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I haven't put makeup on in like 3 months because I had eyelash extensions for a while and then I got them off and I got bangs and I'm like a new person. So I haven't put makeup on in like 3 months, and I think like makeup, that was too much. Primer, whatever, okay. I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. That was too much though. That was too, what is wrong with me? See, like I literally forgot how to do this. Don't you love it when you take Accutane and your acne comes back after a year?
Because I do.
You know, people are like,
oh, you'll outgrow acne, like you'll outgrow pimples.
like where? Like when does that happen? Because like I want to know. I want to know. Anyway, so the foundation I'm using is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Punjab, I think that's how you pronounce it. Anyway, so I haven't done makeup in 3 months. I feel like I've said that a million times. Did I finish my sentence? I don't know. Okay, whatever. Makeup is a skill. And I feel like if you don't practice it, you like lose your skill, you know? Like you lose the grit. Pretty much this video is like me trying to do makeup after 3 months, and maybe like I'll do it good or maybe I won't. I don't know. I feel like the camera is shaking because it's like you're on my bed. So I'm gonna try to like make videos again because I don't know like what I really want to do with my vida. I'm done with foundation. I'm gonna move on to concealer now. I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define one. It's like a dupe for the Tarte one, so if you don't got the money like me, this is a good dupe for the Tarte one. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Another fact is I want to like do a Halloween tutorial, but I'm really like not creative and talented enough to like to do like a whole makeup tutorial. Like there's this one going around, it's kind of like a spider, Tina Halada, I think that's her name, or her YouTube name. Well, this is where I saw it from. I don't know if she started it, but she drew the spider on her eyes, and it's like really cool, and it seems kind of easy, so I kind of want to like attempt it. But I think for Halloween I want to be a scarecrow, and I wanted to do like a makeup tutorial on like scarecrow makeup because it's kind of easy. So if you want to see that, thumbs up the video. I think I'm also having like, I don't know like if my face looks lighter than my body, but in person it looks the same color. I don't really know like what is up with that. It looks good in person, so I don't know. So next I'm gonna put my Coty Airspun powder. I don't know why I'm doing it again because I have really dry skin. This is probably not a good idea. And I don't have my brush, and my brush is all the way over there. My eyes are baking. I'm gonna like contour my nose, so I'm gonna take this contour stick by Fenty Beauty. My camera's trying to make me look like uglier than I already am, and like that's again like rude. Okay, my skin feels so dry, like this is like really sad. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm still gonna bake my nose. Why? Because I'm kind of dumb. Does this look right?
I'm just trying to make my nose skinny because like I want a nose job, but I don't want one at the same time. So like this is the way I'm trying to do it.
What is wrong? Okay, this looks like really bad. Why do I look so gross? This is a very humbling experience because it's like, you know how sometimes you're like, I'm so cute. You know, like Twitter is making like every girl feel like
everyone's cute, no one's ugly.
Enough said. in person, they don't look that bad. I promise they really don't look that bad. Next thing I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna contour my face. So I'm gonna get this big fluffy brush from Morphe and spin it around. Next thing I'm gonna do is my eyes. So I don't know if I should zoom you guys in, but then I don't want to do that because then you'll like see me clearer, and like that's not really the goal right now. I want to do like a halo eye to see if I can even like attempt to do that. I don't know if I still got it in me, but you know what?
We gonna try.
I'm just gonna go in with desert sand. I'm gonna go in with just like a light, kind of like off-white cream color, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyes because that's just what makes sense right now. We're gonna start with a transition shade, and I'm guessing I'm gonna do like this one maybe. I'm gonna put that in my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I don't know how it comes off on camera, but it's kind of like a dark mauve tone. I'm gonna put this on like the outer and inner corners of my eye. What made me like think of this video, I attempted to do kind of like a really simple smoky eye yesterday, and it turned out so bad. So I just like took off all my makeup, and I was like, ew, that was like really disturbing. So I was like, you know what? I think that I should film myself trying to do makeup again. So now I'm gonna go in with this brush. That's like another fluffy brush, but not as fluffy as this one. And then I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna put this shade right here. This is like a deep cranberry shade, and I'm gonna just deepen the inner and outer corners of my eyes. Okay, honestly, this isn't looking so bad. I don't know why I failed so miserably yesterday, and my back is starting to hurt because I have like no support. I'm gonna take a flat shader brush, and I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna put it in the middle. I want to like make it pop a little bit more. So I'm going to wet my brush, this shade called Dreamer from the Anastasia Norvina palette, and put it in the middle of my lid to make it like more shiny. Okay, either that made it like cute or it made it not cute, and now I just kind of look like I have pink eye. And they're like not even either, so a lot of things are going wrong. So I'm really happy about that. So let's like work on the bottom, like bottom part of the eye. What am I saying? Okay, so I'm gonna take this and this one, you know, just for shits and giggles, and we're gonna put it on the bottom. So for my brow bone, I'm sorry, I'm like all over the place. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Dreamer, the same shade that I put in the middle. Like, be careful with this palette because like there is like a lot of fallout. Okay, done! Ta-da! Okay, so I think I'm like actually done with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna put some blush on. This one's by Milani. Okay, and for highlighter, I'm gonna be using this one by Jeffree Star. It's called Peach Goddess. Why does this eye keep looking so bad? Oh my gosh. I kind of wanted this video to be a little bit embarrassing, but like not this embarrassing, you know what I mean? I'm honestly like, oh my god. That's it. Last up, lips. Let me get my lipstick. So this is like my favorite nude I have. And this is also by MAC. It's called Burnt Spice. Okay, yay! We're done. That looks really kind of gross, but I mean, we're finally done, so thank the Lord Jesus. All right, so I'm gonna make it last with this Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay, that was super fun. Okay, so that was me attempting to do my makeup after like 3-ish, 4-ish months of not doing my makeup. I don't really know how it turned out, honestly. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It wasn't even a tutorial, like, but yeah, anyways, just thanks for watching this video, and I don't know, like, that's all I got. And if you're wondering why these nails are shorter than these nails, it's because I was trying to play my guitar and I can't play my guitar with acrylic nails. That was really awkward, but I feel like I had to address that. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? Okay, yeah, I don't know how to end this. Bye!